Hi everybody, Chris Scott here, Keller Williams. Hope your summer's off to a great start. There's been a lot of news articles lately, and people are talking about the Ottawa real estate market and how it's cooling and not quite the same as where it was. I just want to give my perspective on that. First off, I feel like that's an accurate assessment of the market. It certainly has cooled off from where we were. But you got to understand where we were too. We were, at basically an all-time peak of activity. Over the last 100 years of the Ottawa Real Estate Board, that first quarter was, as fast as properties have ever appreciated. So certainly we're cooling from that, but it's important to understand what we're cooling from. And looking at the reality of the market right now, still very much a strong seller's market. Maybe instead of the frenzy on some of these listings that come to market, there's less offers and a lot of different pricing strategies. Some sellers are still pricing well below what they expect to get on offer date. Others are pricing right at what their target is, and others are using a hybrid approach of maybe pricing somewhere in between. And if they don't get what they want, then they raise their price afterwards. So much going on, so much to navigate with this market. Prices, year to date are up over 30%. Over the same period of time last year. So prices are up, of course. The real question is where are we going? Where is this market heading? This is my opinion only, but I do believe that prices are going to continue to stabilize. I don't see any more increases coming this year. I do feel like prices are flattening, and it's going to continue over the next 4 to 6 months. But I do believe that there is such a shortage of inventory that there's enough demand to keep this in a seller's market for the remainder of the year. Sellers are just going to be, or buyers are going to be just a little bit more selective on the property that they're choosing, and in some cases they're starting to see some conditions back in these offers too. So lots to look at over the next few months. We'll see where this takes us. If you're curious to know what's happening in your neighborhood, please feel free to reach out. Take care.